The MULE from Rust-Oleum is a modified urethane latex epoxy that is an easy-to-use, versatile, abrasion-resistant, and highly washable coating that is designed for areas subject to routine cleaning and disinfecting. The MULE has great adhesion and can be applied over properly prepared or previously painted surfaces, including drywall, concrete, masonry, wood, and metal. The MULE is ready to use right out of the can after a thorough stir. The MULE provides an ultra-smooth finish that has excellent coverage and hide and can be applied by a brush, roller, or spray. The MULE is available in several ready-mix colors in a gloss finish. It is also available in tint bases in semi-gloss and satin eggshell finishes for multiple color options. The MULE is the ideal solution for a multi-purpose, multi-surface product that is versatile enough to be used inside or outside on walls, doors and door frames, railings, and even floors. Since the MULE is so versatile, it makes it an easy decision to have it on hand for all your facility maintenance and commercial project needs. The next time you have a project that requires a coating that has excellent coverage and hide and is suitable for areas that are subject to routine cleaning and disinfecting, reach for the MULE from Rust-Oleum.